the chat box. All right, so let's start. A little bit about me. As you have already known my name, I'm Haroon Rashid. I'm one of the alumni of UKM. I did my master's and PhD from Faculty of Engineering, and I did my bachelor's in engineering from University of Sunderland. And before that, I had a B.Sc in mathematics. Currently, I'm working with University of Malaya as a research fellow. And before that, I have worked in SEGI University and as well as in the industry as a sub-engineer. So let's have a look on today's outline that we are going to work on. Just allow me a moment. Let me fix the components in my screen. Okay, so this is today's outline. Okay, this is today's outline. First of all, I will give you an introduction about Mendeley. What is Mendeley? How it is different than the other reference manager tools, and then we will see some overview of Mendeley, how you can create a new account, and then installing my Mendeley desktop, and then working with Mendeley web. So I'll give you a comparison between them as well. And then we will set up the libraries, and you will create the libraries. First, I will give you all the demo. You will be able to see how are the things, and then practically you will do it at the same time. And we will set up the libraries, then managing libraries, how you can make the folders, how you can make different tags and all those things. Then I'll show you one of the features in Mendeley, which is PDF Mover. You can open up your document in PDF. You can have the highlights, or you can annotate the documents. Then another interesting thing is Mendeley citation plugin. So this is one of the important tools that everyone is looking for when you are using any reference manager. So I will explain about this at a later stage. And then Gaia UKM citation style, that will be useful for you if you are from UKM. So right now we have like about 20. You are hearing me, right? Okay, I think the one who is not able to hear me, I think you have some issue with your mic speaker. I think you need to check, because here Secretariat is able to hear about my voice. Okay, is there anyone else? Oh, many are saying. Okay. Okay, just let me check. Yeah, one moment. Let me just check again. Okay, how? I think from my system is okay, because I'm seeing in Zoom. It is fine from my side. I can see at my screen my microphone pulse is ringing. Okay, just give us a moment. Let us check. Let me try to see another. Yeah, because I can see in my screen it's fine. I mean the bar is up. Okay, some of the messages. Okay, there are some who can see. Okay, all right. Well, I didn't do anything with the voice. It is still the same. Okay, let me just very quickly go one step behind. So with the outline, I think everyone is okay, because we will be working on all these things. Okay, yeah, sorry, I was explaining the Gaia UKM citation tool. In Gaia UKM citation style, I will tell you that we have created one citation style which is according to Gaia UKM. So if you are a UKM student, it will be very useful for you that you can just use this citation style, and you don't have to worry much about the citation style according to Gaia UKM. And then I will give you some introduction about this collaborating in Mendeley, you can create your researcher profile, same like similar to ResearchGate, and more than that. Then there are some groups where you can share your resources, your research articles, or you can have your own private group to discuss among your own research group. Then I'll give you a little bit introduction about other things available in Mendeley, like there are some career and funding opportunities. So some of you might find it useful for yourself, those of you who are going to graduate very soon. So that's all about the outline for today. Okay, can I ask in the chat box if there are some participants who are not from UKM? I mean, outside UKM participants. So maybe you can write in the chat box. I would like to know if all UKM, then I don't have to go to that step. Okay, I'm looking at the chat box. If there is anyone. Okay, one. Okay. So I assume only Saleh, he is outside UKM. Okay, fine, no problem. I will cover up that part as well so that you have some idea how exactly it is. How you can get more citation styles in Mendeley, so that wherever you are, whichever university you are from, or you are not from university, you are just working on your research article, working in a research group where you are not bound for any citation style, you still can use it. Okay, all right. So let me just move forward to our first slide today. What is Mendeley? Mendeley is one of the reference management tools, like you may have heard of EndNote or Zotero, or maybe some other reference management tools you have been using. So Mendeley is also similar to that. It's one of the reference management tools which is freely available. You don't have to be bound with your library to go and look for license, or you don't have to buy any license. You get it absolutely for free. You can just go to Mendeley website and you can download Mendeley for free. You can create your account and then you can use as many computers or laptops you want. Okay, interesting thing in Mendeley is when you register and you make your new account, you can download Mendeley desktop in Windows. You can download in MacBook as well. And if your operating system is Linux, or you can download even in your mobile phone, in your Android device. So that is one of the interesting things. If you are using EndNote, you won't be able to download it in your mobile phone. You won't get the same features as you get it in the computer, whereas Mendeley provides you all these things, a similar thing from different platforms, which is synchronized between your devices, and you are able to do the same thing in all your devices. Okay, another interesting thing about this is you can use this in your web browser. So any web browser that you are using, such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla, Safari, or whatever you are using, you can use Mendeley in your web as well without downloading in your computer. So let's say you have a laptop at your home or at your office where you have all your articles and everything, but when you are on the move and you have to open up your Mendeley account or to access your reference library somewhere, so you can just log into internet and then you go to any browser and you can access your Mendeley account, and everything what is available in your laptop which has been synchronized with your Mendeley account, you get it in the Mendeley web as it is. Okay, so I hope this introduction is quite okay to you. Is there anyone in this group right now who have been using or who is using any other reference management tool? I can look at the chat box. Okay. Can I have something in the chat box, like if you are using any other reference management tool like EndNote or any other? Some of you can write in the chat box so that I get to know how is the class strength at this moment. Okay, Noor Anisha got introduced to EndNote. Okay, anyone else? Okay, I got for you, not from UKM. Okay, so we have two participants not from UKM, no problem. Okay, so anyone else got, okay, no response. Okay, yes, I use EndNote. Okay, now the message is coming. Okay, Chong said I'm using Mendeley but not familiar. Okay. Okay, so there are a couple of friends who are using EndNote. So no worries, if you are even using EndNote or have never used Mendeley, you don't have to worry. It's quite easy. It's not a difficult thing. I hope by the end of this session you will be able to understand Mendeley completely and you will be able to use it. Okay, so I now keep my chat box in front of me so that I can see if you are typing anything. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's move forward. How Mendeley can help you? How Mendeley is different than other reference management tools, or how Mendeley can really help you that you have the things and you have to work out with Mendeley. So you have to understand, it's very simple. Mendeley is providing you a cloud network. In that cloud network, you can store anything. They are giving you this cloud facility. At the moment, Mendeley with the free account, they give you 2 GB free space where you can upload your PDFs. So if you have like a lot of PDFs going more than 2 GB, you might not able to use it for free. You have to buy the extra space. Otherwise, you can just use it up to 2 GB. If you just have the references, then you don't have to worry. For references, you can simply, they are just in KBs, very little, in very few space they take. So you can upload as much as you want. I think I have seen in my account like more than 1,000, and then I don't even have half of the GPUs. So how does it work? You can see here, it's you have your PDF documents and or your references that you can upload and synchronize in the server of Mendeley. And then later on, you are able to access it through mobile phone or tablet or your laptop or computer or via web browser. So basically, it's a very simple thing. You don't have to worry about this. How is the backend process? For you, the most important thing is this one, the right hand side, that you get the access at all these places. So